Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my skincare series of videos. In the last video, I showed you how to make your own natural makeup remover with only 2 ingredients. You will find the link below if you want to see that video. And to complete my skincare series, I choose today to make you a video about how to prepare your facial scrub at home with only natural ingredients that you will find in your kitchen. So you will need for that white sugar, which is great for exfoliating and don't dry the skin, coffee, but not the coffee grounds that are already used. Use just normal coffee, which is high in antioxidants and scrub away all dead skin cells. And if you want gorgeous and glowing skin, just use yogurt. I personally used it because I hate scrubs that are made from oil. That's why I replaced the oil with a natural yogurt, which is very good for the skin and helps in whitening the skin. We will also need honey, which is very moisturizing for the skin. So start by putting less than half teaspoon of white sugar. Add to it a generous spoon of coffee and 1 teaspoon of honey, and mix the ingredients together with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. So to use it, just put small quantity on your skin and scrub your face or body for about 5 minutes. And finally, rinse it with cold water. Use this scrub 1 or 2 times a week to say hello to glowing and gorgeous healthy skin. Stay tuned guys, next videos will be about facial cleanser and facial masks. So if you like these videos, just subscribe to my channel and share the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.